Hey guys, good morning. So I woke up early today and I have already published my vlog. I'm gonna start my day today, but before that I would like to show you a mini haul which I got from eBay and Amazon. So from Amazon I bought this extra battery for my vlogging camera. I believe I paid only £15 for this, and I have already used it yesterday and it works perfectly. I love it. It works just like your Canon battery. So I will leave the link in the description bar below. And I also got these. These are the reusable keeper nail remover soaking thingy. It's for gel nails. When you do your gel nails or acrylic nails, you have to remove it with acetone. You cannot remove it with your normal nail remover. That's why I got these. You need some cotton pads and then you have to soak it in the acetone and then put the cotton on top of your nails and then put this clip on so that you don't have to foil it with a foiling paper. It looks very promising to me. I paid only £2 for these and you get 10 pieces of these clips. I will show you. I'm gonna give it a try since I have gel nail, but I will give you a full review about those gel nails. So yeah, so it looks like this. You put it in your fingers like that. It's very useful. I just love it, so I will give it a try later today. That's my mini haul. One of my viewer, he commented me on Instagram saying Mokina Mati herchu, why I look at the screen on top, because I have a camera with the flip screen and it's on the top and it's really hard to ignore that when you have flip screen on the top. And yeah, that's the reason why, but I will try to, you know, look straight in the lens so that it feels like I'm talking with you guys. I will try my best, guys. And right now I'm looking in my lens. I hope this one helps. So thank you so much guys for being honest and letting me know what's going wrong. So this is what I'm eating today, and as you guys can see, I've got bread finally. I love my bread. So I've got bread, grilled tomatoes, some eggs and beans. That's my lunch. Sorry, that's my breakfast. And they say eat your breakfast like a queen, and that's what I do every day. I eat a lot of breakfast. The saying is correct, because when you go to the bed, you go to the bed around 11:30. You sleep around 7 to 8 hours. It's really good for you to eat a lot of breakfast, because this one digests very easily because you haven't eaten anything for 8 hours. So there you go. That's my tip for you guys. So definitely eat a lot of breakfast with some water. That's my water bottle. Isn't it cute? I got this one from Sport Direct and it's in purple color. Okay guys, so यो पनि मैले नेपालबाट नै ल्याएको हो. As you guys can see, यो चाहिँ आँखी झ्याल भन्छ यसलाई चाहिँ, आँखी झ्याल photo frame. I saw bigger one as well and it was around 18,000. Very big to be honest, and I wanted something cute. While coming to the UK, we have our weight limit, so this was very light and I really like the color as well. As you guys can see, it's dark brown color and it's all handmade. It's so pretty. I really like the detailing. Look at this peacock detailing. Isn't it cute? I really like it. So I got the smaller version of this frame and it's really pretty. I paid around 3,500 rupees for this, and that lady, she didn't even give me 1 rupees discount. You know, I'm a bargain queen and I was begging with that lady to give me some discount, but she was like, no girl, no, this is handmade and it's very precious, it's expensive stuff, so I can't give you any discount. So I didn't get any discount, but this is worth it guys. It looks so nice in my living room. I just love it. मैले मेरो पिक्चर पनि राखिसकेको छु. यो चाहिँ म र मेरो बुढा हो, अनि यो चाहिँ म भर्खरै युके आउँदाखेरिको हो, अनि त्यति बेला चाहिँ हामी आइस स्केटिङ खेल्नको लागि गएको थियो. Look at me guys, I look so skinny. And this one is a very special gift from my sister. You know who you are, so thank you so much dear. I love it. It's kind of heavy as well. I think it's a goddess and it's lucky for your house as well. It's in gold color. So pretty. मैले माथि चाहिँ आँखी झ्याल राखेको छु अनि ठ्याक्क त्यसको तल चाहिँ यो के भन्छ यसलाई सजाउने कुरा नै भन्छ तर यो चाहिँ चरसको बनेको आई बिलिभ एन्ड आई रियली लाइक इट गाइज लभ इट सो द्याट्स द्याट अनि मैले अर्को एउटा चिज पनि लिएर आएको छु नेपालबाट नै एन्ड दिस इज कृष्ण भगवान कृष्ण कन्हैया इट इज सो क्युट आई लभ इट यहाँ बाँसुरी पनि थियो जुन चाहिँ अहिले भाँची गएको छ Look at that, how sad is this? But I kept it here so that I can fix it later. As you guys can see, it's such a cute Krishna Kanhaiya Bhagwan. So I just kept it over here because mero mandir ma chahi tham nai chaina. It's chilling over here and I love it. So guys, this is my lunch for today and as you guys can see my plate looks really delicious. I will show you what I'm eating today. मैले चाहिँ आज pork curry खाँदै छु and dal कालो दाल edamame beans with broccoli यो चाहिँ curry हो मैले बनाएको हिजो leftovers यो सबै लेफ्टओभर्स हो टु बी अनेस्ट गाइज मैले चाहिँ प्राय जसो 2 दिनलाई पुग्ने गरी खाना बनाउँछु लाइक आज र भोलिको लागि सो इट्स इजियर फर मी एज वेल किनभने हामीले दिनमा एकचोटी मात्रै भात खान्छ अनि थोरै बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ अलि बोरिङै हुन्छ त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ एकैचोटी 2 छाकको लागि बनाउँछु कहिलेकाहीँ 2 चोटी नै खान्छु मैले भात तर प्राय जसो चाहिँ मैले once a day मात्रै खान्छु सो दिस इज माई डिलिसियस लुकिङ lunch. I also got some chopped tomato and radish. Yummy food guys. I just can't wait to eat this. By the way, you guys must be wondering why she is not doing her cardio today. And guys, I decided to do my cardio around 5 o'clock because it's perfect for me at that time. I did my cardio early yesterday before noon and seriously guys, I was so tired all day and I really wanted to take a nap. I was trying so hard not to fall asleep and yes, I didn't take a nap but it was really hard for me so that's why I want to do it around 5 o'clock so that even if I'm tired I will go to bed after a few hours, you know what I mean. Okay guys, so here's an update for you guys. Know that I tried the gel nail from Superdrug and it looks like this right now. I think it's been 3 or 4 days now. I like the nail polish and the formula but it's chipping. I've just opened my 1 second nail polish remover and I'm gonna try and remove my gel nail polish. Oh, it's not coming off. Oh, look at this. There you go. It's not your normal gel nail polish. It's just like your regular nail polish guys. Don't get fooled by the name. It's just called gel nail polish but it's not. I will try my another finger as well. Look at that. It's coming off so easily. That's a fail guys and I got these just because I thought this is gel nail polish, I might need this so I got this. I will use it eventually because I have all the supplies for acrylic and gel nails but I'm not very good at it. That's the reason I will remove all my nail polish and reapply the same polish. I got a package guys. I wasn't expecting this today and I know what it is. यसको साइज हेरेर नै थाहा हुन्छ. So मैले भर्खरै यसको प्याकेजिङ रिमुभ गरे and here it is guys. This is my tripod. I'm so happy and super excited guys. Let's see. It looks really amazing guys. Whoa, I only paid £6 for this guys and the quality, it's so good. I just love it guys. It's perfect for vlogging so I'm gonna use this from now on. So अहिले चाहिँ म मेरो रुममा रेस्ट गर्दै बसिरहेको छु अनि आज एकदमै विन्डी छ वेदर एकदमै छिटो चेन्ज भइरहेको छ र त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ सबैजना बिरामी भइरहेको छ मेरो मम पनि त्यति सन्चो छैन कोल्ड र फिभर लाएर काम पनि जान पाएको थिएन एन्ड सेम विथ माई फ्रेन्ड एज वेल एक्चुअली हामीले हिजो प्लान गरेको थियो पद्मावत हेर्न जाने भनेर विथ माई फ्रेन्ड्स तर मेरो साथीलाई चाहिँ अलि सन्चो भएन शी इज अल्सो सफरिङ फ्रम दिस कोल्ड एन्ड फिभर एन्ड यु गाइज अल्सो बी केयरफुल अहिले एकदमै वेदर तातो चिसो भइरहेको छ त्यही भएर बी केयरफुल गाइज मेक श्योर टु टेक केयर अफ योरसेल्फ ट्राई टु स्टे वार्म इट healthy food, try to drink lots of water. अरु त त्यही हो guys. मलाई चाहिँ एकदमै पद्मावत हेर्न मन लागिरहेको थियो and I was really excited. It's not her fault. तर yeah, I am really excited to watch that movie, and I don't want to watch that movie in a laptop or a TV, you know. I really want to watch that movie in a hall. So भयो भने हामी छिटो नै हेर्न जान्छौं कस्तो छ फिल्म म तपाईहरुलाई पछि रिभ्यु दिएर भन्छु. And if you have watched Padmavat, let me know in the comments down below. मेरो भाइ बहिनीले चाहिँ हेरिसकेको रहेछ, and they said it's a very good movie, you should definitely watch. So yeah, I'm really excited, guys. One more thing I would like to ask you guys, तपाईहरुलाई कस्तो खालको vlogsहरु मन पर्छ, please let me know. हैन, मैले चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ मेरो डेली लाइफको vlogsहरु बनाइरहेको छु अनि हल्का प्रोडक्ट रिभ्युहरु पनि दिइरहेको छु, which you guys are liking at the moment. तर तपाईहरुलाई यदि कुनै डिफरेन्ट टाइपको भ्लग्सहरु मन पर्छ भने डु लेट मी नो, हैन. म त्यस्तै किसिमको भिडियोहरु बनाउँछु तपाईहरुको लागि. सरी गाइज, आई जस्ट कीप फर्गेटिङ, जहिले भुलेको गर्छु टु लुक एट द लेन्स, नट at the screen. Sorry about that. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.